Alright, I have a water heater here that has a flammable vapor sensor that triggered because we had our floors varnished. I replaced the sensor, and the standard procedure for resetting the sensor doesn't seem to work. But I found another procedure on the internet which I'm now going to try. It will be funky if that works. Anyway, so the process is as follows. You first need to disconnect the water heater for at least 10 seconds. So here we see the controls are out. So the unit is powered down and has to wait about 10 seconds. So let's give it another 5 seconds maybe. Okay, and then you have to plug in, and then very quickly within 10 seconds press both these buttons for around 5 seconds until the light starts flashing, and then you have to follow this sequence of codes. So it's left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. Whoa! That worked.